So here's a fun animal. A cow, but not just any cow. The Scottish Highland cow. You ready to get started on this one? Okay, now for the Highland cow. So just a big circle. And then let's do another one up top. And then a rectangle right here. Okay, those are our basic shapes. Now, let's do a line going across that circle, and that comes out. Okay, now there's our basic shapes. Okay, let's erase a couple lines. And start to draw it in. Okay, separate the legs like that. And then let's do an oval there with a snout. And now let's go up a little bit, curve around, little mouth, and some curves here for some smiles. Little nostrils, and then a dip in and up, like that. There. Okay, and now let's do some little circles here, half circle there. Now dip in at the top too, and around. Okay. Okay, now let's turn these into horns. So we're going to use these lines as guides. Pointy at the end, and then try to make it look similar as possible on the other side. The cow, the Scottish Highland cow, is pretty shaggy, so we're just going to make some shaggy hair like this. Comes down over the eyes usually, so that's long. I'm going to do a little bit of like shorter hair over here, just make it kind of fuzzy looking. And then for the body, we'll come like long, and then once you get down here, then we can make it shaggy. The same on the other side. Okay, let's do a couple half circles down here. Some big old toenails. And the feet are shaggy too, but let's do like we did in the face, where it's just kind of little shaggy. All right. And let's just add a little something extra. A little medallion necklace, so a circle, line around. And then whatever letter you feel like putting in there. All right. Time to outline.
So when I draw, I like to draw lightly with pencil. What you can do once you have your finished drawing is draw over it with your pencil and just press down harder. And then you can take your eraser afterwards and lightly erase out the pencil, like the sketchy pencil lines. But another thing you can do, which is what I usually like to do, is use a pen. I have some special pens that I use, usually Micron or Copic pens. And I'll draw over my pencil lines, the ones that I want to keep, and afterwards I erase them. So when I'm drawing on camera, I usually use a thick marker so that you can see it better. But that doesn't mean that's always the best choice for you, especially because the permanent marker, you need permission to use it. It can stain things So I would recommend either your favorite pen if you have one, or color pencil, marker, crayon, or you can just stick with pencil because that looks good too. And there we have our cute, simple, shaggy Scottish Highland cow. I hope you had fun drawing this. I did, as always, and I plan to be back with more, so hope to see you then.